Happy Veganuary, day 5. It's the last day of winter break and I've spent the day in my pajamas again. Today, for a warm and cozy dinner, I'm making dumplings. To make the wrappers, add 2 cups or 500 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 14 tablespoons or 210 milliliters of warm water, and 1 pinch of salt. And you're going to want to put that in a mixer with a dough hook. Mix very well for a couple of minutes. The dough might look crumbly, but it should easily hold together when pinched. Turn the dough onto a clean counter and form into a ball. Cover with a clean and damp tea towel. Now we're going to let this rest for 20 minutes. Halve the dough and cut it into quarters and then quarters again, so you end up with 16 pieces or 32 total, and then roll each piece out into as close as you can get to a circle. This is as close as I could get. So I have a pile of 32 right here of all tiny little circles, and we're going to cover it with a damp tea towel and set it aside. And now we're going to create the filling. Heat 25 milliliters or 5 teaspoons of sesame oil in a large sauté pan over medium heat. Add 2 cups of both shredded carrot and shredded cabbage and 225 grams or 8 ounces of mushrooms, thinly sliced, along with a large pinch of salt and pepper. Cook, stirring frequently for 6 to 8 minutes or until the liquid from the veggies has been released and begins to evaporate. Add 4 green onions, thinly sliced, 1 clove of garlic, a 2.5 centimeter or 1 inch cube of ginger, and 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for an additional minute, then transfer the filling into a bowl. Oh, that smells so good. Put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. That's really good. While the filling is cooling, to make the dipping sauce, combine 125 milliliters or a half a cup of soy sauce, 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2.5 centimeter or 1 inch cube of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, minced, a pinch of salt, and fresh cracked pepper. Mix and set aside. Oh, that's so good. To assemble dumplings, wet the entire edge of the wrapper with water and add about 15 milliliters or a tablespoon of filling to the center of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half, creating a half moon shape. Gently pat on the bottom of the dumpling on the countertop to make sure it stands by itself. Continue with the remaining filling until all dumplings are complete. And if it doesn't stick, you can fold the edges on the top and make it scrunched. Continue with the remaining filling until all the dumplings are complete. Heat 45 milliliters or 3 teaspoons of olive oil in a large sauté pan over medium heat. Now sauté the dumplings in batches of 7 to 8. Cook dumplings for 2 minutes or until a dark golden brown crust forms on the bottom of the dumplings. Pour in 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of water and cover and let the dumplings steam for 2 to 4 minutes or until the water has evaporated. Remove the lid and allow the dumplings to get crisp on the bottom again. You didn't see anything. Garnish with green onion and sesame seed and serve with the dipping sauce. Enjoy! Let's try one. Oh, they're hot. That's so good. I would eat this whole plate if I didn't have to share. Remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!